In a small, sunny village there lived Auntie Noma, the best cook around. Her poiky stew was famous. So famous that the whole village couldn't wait to taste it whenever she made it. One morning, Auntie Noma decided it was a perfect day to make her stew. She went to her garden and picked the freshest vegetables she could find. The tomatoes were bright red, the potatoes were nice and round, and the carrots were sweet and crunchy. Next, she went to catch the village chicken, which wasn't easy. After a lot of clucking and running, she finally caught it, laughing all the way back to her kitchen. With everything ready, Auntie Noma set up a big, black pot over the fire and began to cook. Soon, the smell of the stew spread across the whole village. People sniffed the air, smiling, and followed the delicious smell to Auntie Noma's house. One by one, her neighbors gathered around, excited to taste her famous dish. As the stew bubbled, Auntie Noma grinned and said, "There's a secret ingredient in here today." Everyone's eyes widened. They couldn't wait to try it.